audition?
I think it's you two.
I think it's you too.
Why not? Why not? Diba?
You're too young for
Oh, who else? Who else?
Who else has a question?
Oh, halika na, bilis. Ito. Dali. Okay, para kanino?
Para ba sa kanila?
Oh, for the two of you, for Liza and Enrique. Here,
Yeah.
what's your
Hi.
name?
What's
My
up?
name is Melvie from Liscan Global Team.
Yeah, what's up? Let's get Global Team. Guys are back again.
Yes. So, my question would be for the two of you. So, what were your expectations, coming here? And were those expectations met, or did we exceed them, as far as you can see?
Go ahead, girl. Go ahead, baby girl.
What?
I wasn't expecting this many people because my handler, she kept on vibrating me. She was like, post this, we need people to buy the tickets, we need people to I thought nobody was buying the tickets.
Do you agree?
No, I'm just happy to be back here in her hometown, and all the fans of Forevermore, and TFC is freaking amazing. So thank you guys for supporting us. I love you. Even though you're so far from the Philippines, you still feel close because of TFC. So thank you so much. We feel at home with you guys. Thank you.
Thank you, Lisken.
Not much.
Oh, that's so touching. And one last question. One last question. Who wants to ask?
Doon, ay dito namang side. Wait ka, may gumagano na. Halika. Gusto ko yung naka-raise.
Ay, siya. Oh.
Dapat yung tanong mo, ano?
Excited na excited siya.
Okay.
Oh.
Halika. Oh my God. Okay,
Ay, oh,
ano ang
ay.
name mo? Gladys. Gladys is a
Okay,
question.
Gladys. Ano ang question ni Gladys? At para kanino?
For both of them. How do you feel that, for Liza first, how do you feel that you finally see your mother and that you finally were able to introduce Ken?
So, para itong meeting the parents?
Of course, I'm happy that I finally got to see my mommy. It turned 7 years. And introducing Ken, actually, I didn't introduce her to Ken. She hugged Ken right away.
She loves me, man. What can I say?
Oh,
She
my.
said, "Oh, here's my son-in-law." I was like, "What?"
There you go. Ken,
Okay.
Ken already got the family approval.
Yes.